Ooh. Ooh. Hi everyone, I'm back from the first video, first one of 2026. You might see this backwards because I haven't uploaded the first two from the last two from last year, which were meant to be uploaded already. But anyway, the unboxing is this pack. What could it be? I don't have a lot of time given. I might have to jump cut this, which is a dirty thing that I don't like very much. So 1, 2, 3. Back to 3. I have one attempt to do this. If this goes wrong, the person, you get what I mean, will happen. So I need to do this in one take, but I might have to in two. So it might have to be two videos. Here we go. And oh god, why? Off the stickiness. Okay. I forget. Okay, let me just check. Got turning in it and just pull this. Okay. Looks like it. But that's that one. Nope. I'll put that, I don't really care. Okay. Let me just put that there. And a second, let's just do this, I haven't got it all the way out yet. Of course I need done there. The Beach Boys, the very best Beach Boys. Sounds of Summer, 60th anniversary, expanded it in 80 newly remastered tracks and 24 new mixes. I'll do a line notes and photos. 50, the Beach Boys 60th. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And back 2, 3. I've got to go quickly, not quickly as normal. So, the first CD we have California Girls, I Get Around, Surfing Safari, Surfing USA, Fun, Surfer Girl, Don't Worry Baby, Little Disc Cooper, Shut Down, Help Me Wonder, Be True to Your School, When I Grow Up to Be a Man, In My Room, God You Know, Soon to Be, Wouldn't It Be Nice, Get You Back, Come Go With Me, Rock and Roll Music, Dance, Baba Moran, Do You Want to Dance, Heroes and Villains, Good Times, Kokomo, Do It Again, Royal Honey, Darling, I Can Hear Music, and Good Vibrations is disc 1. Disc 2 starts with All Summer Long, Good to My Baby, This Whole World, All I Want to Do, Disney Girls, Kiss Me Baby, Let the Wind Blow, Forever, Sail on Sailin', Long Promiscuous Road, Cotton Fields, a Cotton Song, Pom Playgirl, Wild Charm, I Went to Sleep, Mama's Daughter, Let Us Go On This Way, You Need a Mess to Help, You Need a Mess of Help to Stand Alone, The Night Was So Young, can you guess how I say it? You're So Good to Me, Are You Glad, Baby Blue, It's About Time, Do You Like When World Plant Rock, and Serves Up. Then on the third CD after this three starts to add some music today. It's Okay Going On, Sam Mullen, The Warmth of the Sun, Everyone's Loving You, all of that. California Saga, On My Way to California AA, Free Flower, Windy, Girl Don't Tell Me, Let Him Run Wild, All I Want to Do, Alternate Take, Susan Compton, Vegetables, Time to Get Alone, Where Do I Belong, Just wasn't made for those times. Little Bird, Till I Die, Wouldn't It Be Nice to Live Again, Friends, Devoted to You Unplugged version, Can't Wait Too Long, and California Feeling. They're the songs on this set of albums. I'm going to have to take the sticker off this. I don't have a lot of time to read the songs to you. So, whoops, Have to be very, very careful. Not ripping this. I'm gonna do it, but I have a sore hand. Whoa. Ouch. Hang on. Give me a second. Got it. No, you know it. Put it there. Get it off. Alright. Back in front. Let me just unveil this from unwrapping it. Let's do it here a bit easier. Okay. Oh. I do my other hand because my left hand's got a finger problem. Hang on a second. Just need to. Do this. I need to do this. It's really a pain in the ass. So if you hear me swear, but I gotta swear, alright? I will get to tell you about Wet Hot Summer. That's part of my Christmas present. So, Echo, Pink Floyd, and Human Nature concert. Pink Floyd are a band I like, so I might get there. Whoops, hang on, let's just do this. Got it. Cool. Okay. Not yet. Okay. There we go. Now, before I start... Come on. Put it right there. Yep, good. It's on now. The sticker's on. Here's the front 2, 3, and back 2, 3. Let's just flip this home. This is a picture of the boys. We don't have Brian Wilson anymore. God bless his soul. He's passed on now. Here's the front 2, 3. Then I have to flip this open. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Give me a second. Let's get the booklet out of this thing. Whoops. Need to move this. Okay. Got it. Okay, I'll put it there. I'm going to show you the booklet. This is the Beach Boys Sound Summer. I do have the original of this album. It is excellent. It's on there, but there's 2 discs of new stuff. So 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to read this to you. It'll take too long. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Then we skip the next page in the book. 1, 2, 3. And then the same on the next page again. We have... This is a little write up here. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Let's get to the next page. Okay. We start showing the photos. 1, 2, 3. I don't know who Brian Wilson is, but I have heard of him. He's awesome. Here's some more photos, black and white photos. 1, 2, 3. And then we start with the album that it came from, disc 1. 1, 2, 3. It goes up to 24. There's 2, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3. Next page we have 1, 2, 3. And then the last page in this one, in this booklet, is here. 1, 2, 3, and back 2, 3. Right, that is it for the booklet. I have to be very careful with this because I'm scared it's going to rip, because I'm not having it on my watch. Okay. Let me get out the first CD if I can figure out how to do this. Announcing it. Let me do this. No, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, this is the Sounds of Summer disc 1. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. This is in. Just about there. It's no easy to get out if I need it. Okay. I'm gonna flip it. Get out the second CD, which is a lot easier. Oops, there. It's one of these happy little things. Alright. And this two. This two. 1, 2, 3, and back. 1, 2, 3. Put down here. Have to be quick as hell, so I don't have a long. Let me just grab out and we'll hold this. No. No. I'm gonna take that out of here. Just 3. 1, 2, 3, and back. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it back in. We're gonna leave it like this, obviously. I'm just gonna put it in. Good. I'll show you these again now. I'm just gonna show you the booklet. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4. And right now I'm gonna flip this backwards. You can see the thing backwards to this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. That is my unboxing of the Beach Boys album. I like Beach Boys. I'm on their journey through their albums. I'm still at the beginning, but I am going to list the vegetables. That song is one that I liked it from when I heard it. It's a catchy little number. But I'm not going to say much more. I want you to get this album yourself and have it in your collection. I think the Boys, or this band, is phenomenal. Listen to all 29 studio albums is my goal when I leave you guys from this video. Maybe 30 if you count the Smile sessions, but if you don't count that, 29. There's one album, the last two in the 90s a bit and the last one not so much. But the first, 2 decades or so up to Still Cruising, that's the album with Kokomo on it. After that album, it started to go bumble up to that. But from first album to then, it's excellent. There you go. Thanks for watching my first video back of 2026. I might be going to JB this week. I might not be. I don't know, but I will be going to JB this week. I will be again in a few weeks. And I'll get to tell you what I got from my trips to concerts I go to. If I don't get to take videos, I'll get to show you my favourite moment from each show I go to. I've got 3. I've got the Human Nature Part 2, which is like the Motown years now. I don't mind their music. Their music, either Motown or not, is excellent. That will be uploaded straight after I've done all my concerts for the year. Unless there's something else pops up. Red Hot Summer, I won't be filming that because it's top secret. I'll tell you what I think of the acts I saw live. I can tell you, if you are a fan of Paul Kelly, you're going to love his music. That's all I'm going to say. I'll leave you on that note. Thanks for watching my first video of 2026. Hope it goes well and hope you dig it. And don't forget to go to Joshua Haddock 1997 and Joshua Haddock 1997 Extra. I should be back to more content now that it's New Year. I might do a live stream tonight. If not, I'll let you know when I'm back doing it again. I've got to go. I got stuff to do. So like this video, comment, and share it with everyone. But don't you, when I upload it, then share it with everyone and tell them that you get to tune into my YouTube channel every week. Not every week, but you'll get what I mean. I might do a podcast. I haven't decided yet. I'll leave up some ideas you can help me with. So, like a voting poll and stuff. So, until next time, stay safe. Be kind to yourself. Have a fantastic rest of your day. And I'll see you when I see you next. I should be back with a sketch of what's going on in January. But I'm about to hit my 29th year on planet Earth. But after this year, next year will be my 30th. And that will be announced more at the end of this year, so you have to wait 12 months for that one. Welcome to 2026. My name is Josh Haddock. Take care and like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Josh out.